better. Because you don't like waking up in the night and your room's all light, do you, Ben? Ben?
Don't play with that cream. No.
As you can see, we don't get a minute's peace these days. But we like it like that, don't we, Ben? We all nice and clean? Hey? Ben? Ben?
It's all clean
all
and
clean?
moisturised.
Beautiful. Oh, what a lovely boy. Are you going to come and walk down the lounge then?
Nick, walk towards Daddy.
Come on, Ben.
Towards Daddy.
Oh.
Nope, nope, nope. That way.
Not that way. This way. You're going the wrong way. Ben, you're going the wrong way.
Quick, Ben, I'm going to catch you. I'm going to catch you. I'm going to catch you. I'm going to catch you.
No, don't let him. Quickly. He's going to turn the dishwasher off.
Oh!
You're not allowed to turn the dishwasher off. Hey Ben, let me see you dance.
Dance.
Are you dancing?
Dance.
Where are you going?
Bedroom.
He's a fast walker now. Has Mummy closed the door? Ben, this way. Come on. There, yes. Well, oh, no. No dishwashers. Here we go. And we've got a little trick to show everybody, because Ben walks through that gap to go and turn the dishwasher off and to get in the way while we're cooking. So we have a little trick to stop him. Don't we, Ben? That's the trick. The sofa moves across, stops him getting in the kitchen.
A lot of people have opinions on that.
What are you doing there?
I mean, that's fine, but I knew what I was doing was right.
Fellow Aussie Robert Allenby is at the
Whoa.
upper end of the scale, already entrenched.
You're playing with the blinds. Careful, you're going to fall over.
This week, the 1994 Open winner is focusing on capturing the second cup.
You don't want to fall over, do you? Are you on your couch? Hey Ben, where's your nose? Where's your nose? Ooh! Where's your mouth? Say cheese. Can you play with your car, Ben? There's your car there, look. Look. Your car. You're not going to pull all those books off the bookshelf again, are you?
Where's that plastic bag that I put in the basket here? You haven't put it in the bin, have you?
I didn't see it. You're going to read some books, Ben. This is Ben's favourite trick, playing with the sliding door. He likes that. Are you on the balcony? Let's see how you play with the door then. Open the door. Where are you going, Ben? Bye-bye. See ya. Oh, we can't see Ben anymore. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Oh, hello, Ben. Woo. Can you see out what's happening, Ben? What's happening out there? See? Are you having a look out into the garden? Hey? Oh, what a good walker you are now, aren't you? He's got so much better. He started walking about 2 weeks ago and now he's a little expert, aren't you, Ben? He likes playing on the balcony. As you can see, it's perfectly safe. No gaps anywhere for him to fall through. Where you are? You're going down the other end? We got this table and chairs for £70. So that's not bad. It's a 6 foot long table. And we've used it a few times. It's nice to sit up here in the evening and have our dinner. And sometimes at weekends as well. I cleaned all those windows this morning before I went to work then. You having a nice walk around? Open the door then. Oh, what's the matter? Have you caught your fingers in them? Oh dear. Let us get your finger out. Oh dear. Poor Ben. Are you alright? Oh dear. Did you trap your little finger in the door? You have to be careful, don't you? Oh dear. Let's have a look. Let me kiss it better. Let Daddy kiss it better. There we go. It's alright now, look. You have to be careful with doors, don't you? Hey, you've got to be ever so careful. Oh, have you got poorly finger? There we go. Look, you're okay now. Aren't you? Hey, Ben. Cha 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 cha. Yeah, nasty door. Oh dear, what a nasty door. Is that nasty door touching your finger? Oh dear. Right, I think we better go back inside soon, 'cause it's getting a bit chilly, isn't it? Should we go inside? Say ta-ta. See ya. Bye-bye.